We have some exciting updates about construction on I-15. My name is Justin Smith. I am the Public Information Officer with District 5 of the Idaho Transportation Department. Welcome to the I-15 construction update for spring 2026. Today I will provide information about I-15 North Gate to Fort Hall and the Riverton Road Bridge construction. Let's start with an update on the I-15 widening between the North Gate and Fort Hall interchanges, where ITD is currently widening the interstate to 3 lanes in each direction. Crews are paving the northbound lanes of I-15, and northbound traffic is using the new southbound lanes constructed in the median of the interstate. Once paving is complete, crews will stripe the roadway and complete some finishing touches before shifting traffic. This traffic shift is scheduled to occur early this summer. In the coming weeks, crews are also preparing to demolish the abandoned railroad bridge just north of the Fort Hall interchange. Removing the bridge will provide the space needed to widen I-15 into the median. During bridge demolition, motorists can expect nighttime I-15 lane closures. As we get closer to traffic shifts and bridge demolition, we will send out information over email, text, and social media. Be sure to sign up for updates using the information at the end of this video so you can remain informed. We have recently begun work to reconstruct the Riverton Road Bridge over I-15 in Blackfoot. This bridge was originally going to be replaced during the I-15 exit 89 to exit 93 widening project. We have reevaluated this plan after the bridge was damaged in November of 2025 and was struck by a vehicle. ITD has decided that the most cost-effective path forward is to replace the bridge ahead of our original schedule. Crews began work this spring and expect to complete the new bridge late this year. During work, motorists can expect Riverton Road to remain closed between Sweetwater Drive and Frontage Road. Before we wrap up this update, I'd like to share a brief safety message. Crashes on I-15 are often the result of distracted driving. ITD reminds drivers to slow down, remain alert, and maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle in front of you. Remove distractions, including your phone, food, or anything else that takes your attention away from the road. Passengers, if you notice the driver of the vehicle you're in is distracted, encourage them to remove distractions and focus on the road. Thank you for taking the time to watch this update about construction projects along I-15. If you would like to learn more about these projects and stay up to date on future developments, please use the contact information appearing on your screen to stay in touch. I'll see you for our next update this summer.